It's Dumpy the monkey. Today Dumpy visits a farm. Look at all the animals. Moo, says the cow. Hello, cow. Oink oink, says the pig. Let's collect some eggs. Always be gentle with animals. They are our friends. What a fun day at the farm. Bye bye everyone. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.